Hi guys, welcome back to Cool Product. Today we're exploring the top 5 best hard drive docking station, featuring high-speed, reliable, and versatile storage solutions for all your HDDs and SSDs. From dual bay management to offline cloning, these devices make data handling effortless. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Kebidu hard drive docking station. The Kebidu hard drive docking station is a versatile solution for managing and accessing data across multiple storage devices. Compatible with both 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch SATA and IDE hard drives, it provides seamless integration for a wide range of storage formats. Equipped with a high-speed USB 3.0 interface, the docking station delivers data transfer rates of up to 5 gigabytes per second, ensuring efficient and rapid file movement. It supports simultaneous IDE and SATA dual-disk reading, making it a practical tool for users handling multiple drives at once. Designed for convenience, the docking station features a tool-free setup with hot plug support, allowing easy installation and removal without additional equipment. A one-key backup function simplifies data management, while LED indicators provide clear visibility of power status and hard disk read-write activity. The Kebidu docking station is compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows 98 through Windows 10, Mac OS 9.x/10.x, and Linux, ensuring broad usability across different platforms. To enhance durability, the device incorporates a smart sleep mode that activates after 10 minutes of inactivity, extending the lifespan of connected hard drives. Its 360-degree hollow heat dissipation design with vertical hollow construction and natural ventilation ensures effective cooling. This feature promotes safer and smoother data operation while maximizing hard drive protection. Compact, efficient, and reliable, the Kebidu hard drive docking station combines advanced technology with user-friendly design, offering a dependable solution for data transfer, backup, and storage management. Next up, at number 4, we have the Orico US3 hard drive docking station. The Orico US3 hard drive docking station is a high-performance solution for managing and transferring data across multiple storage devices. Featuring super-speed USB 3.0 technology, it delivers transfer rates of up to 5 gigabits per second, making it 10 times faster than USB 2.0 while remaining backwards compatible with USB 2.0 and 1.1. This ensures efficient file movement and broad compatibility with older systems. Supporting the UASP transfer protocol, the docking station offers up to 20% faster performance compared to traditional USB 3.0. With UASP-capable host controllers and operating systems, users can experience enhanced speed and responsiveness during data-intensive tasks. Designed for convenience, the Orico US3 includes an on-off power switch and LED indicators to display working status clearly. A 12-volt 2A power adapter provides stable and sufficient power for connected devices, ensuring smooth operation. The tool-free plug-and-play design supports hot swapping, eliminating the need for drivers or additional applications. Compatibility is a key feature of the docking station, supporting most major operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. This makes it a versatile choice for professionals and everyday users alike, offering seamless integration across different platforms. Compact and efficient, the Orico US3 hard drive docking station combines speed, reliability, and user-friendly design, providing a dependable solution for data transfer, backup, and storage management. Taking the third spot is the Maiwo K308 hard drive docking station. The Maiwo K308 hard drive docking station is a powerful and versatile solution for managing large-scale data storage. Designed to support up to 22 terabytes, it provides ample capacity for expanding storage and handling extensive data requirements, making it ideal for professional and personal use. With its plug-and-play convenience, the docking station ensures effortless operation. Tool-free installation allows users to set up quickly without additional equipment, while hot swapping capability makes it easy to connect or remove drives as needed. This streamlined design enhances usability and efficiency for everyday data management tasks. The K308 is equipped with UASP and TRIM compatibility, enabling faster data transfer speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second on supported systems. These advanced protocols optimize performance, reduce latency, and improve overall responsiveness during file transfers, ensuring smooth and reliable operation even with large files. As a SAS drive enclosure with USB connectivity, the docking station combines flexibility with high-speed performance. It is engineered to deliver stable and secure data handling, offering a dependable platform for backups, storage expansion, and file organization. Compact yet capable, the Maiwo K308 hard drive docking station integrates advanced technology with user-friendly features, providing a reliable and efficient solution for modern data storage needs. Coming in at number 2 is the Blueendless BS-HD01S hard drive docking station. The Blueendless BS-HD01S hard drive docking station is designed to deliver efficient and reliable storage management for modern data needs. Supporting up to 20 terabytes of expansion, it provides ample capacity for high-definition movies, high-resolution photos, lossless music, and large document files, making it suitable for both professional and personal use. Equipped with a stable 3A current power supply, the docking station includes a 3C certified 12-volt 3A power adapter capable of driving high-capacity hard drives with ease. This ensures consistent performance and dependable operation during intensive data tasks. To enhance durability, the BS-HD01S features smart hibernation technology. After 10 minutes of inactivity, the hard drive automatically enters hibernation mode, reducing wear and power consumption while extending its lifespan. The drive can be reactivated instantly by reading or writing data, ensuring seamless continuity. Data transfer is optimized with USB 3.0 high-speed connectivity, supporting bandwidths between 6 gigabits per second and 12 gigabits per second for fast read and write operations. This enables efficient handling of large files and smooth workflow across different applications. The docking station's vertical plug-and-play design requires no installation, offering immediate usability. Its structure also promotes natural heat dissipation, preventing overheating and ensuring safer, smoother data operation. Compact, powerful, and user-friendly, the Blueendless BS-HD01S hard drive docking station combines advanced technology with practical design, providing a dependable solution for high-capacity storage and efficient data management. And finally, our top pick, the Ugreen CM198 hard drive docking station. The Ugreen CM198 hard drive docking station is a versatile storage solution designed to simplify data management and enhance productivity. With its tool-free installation, users can effortlessly set up 2.5-inch or 3.5-inch SATA HDDs and SSDs, making it quick and convenient to access or expand storage without additional equipment. Featuring a dual bay design, the docking station allows simultaneous management of 2 hard drives, streamlining workflows and improving data accessibility. Supporting up to 40 terabytes of capacity, 20 terabytes per drive, it is ideal for handling large-scale storage needs, from multimedia files to extensive backups. The CM198 incorporates smart sleep mode technology, automatically placing drives into standby after 15 minutes of inactivity. This intelligent feature reduces power consumption and extends the lifespan of connected hard drives, ensuring efficient and durable performance. For added functionality, the docking station includes an offline cloning feature. With a single button, users can perform secure data transfers between drives without the need for a computer, making backups and migrations faster and more convenient. Compact and user-friendly, the Ugreen CM198 hard drive docking station combines advanced technology with practical design, offering a reliable solution for storage expansion, data transfer, and drive management. That's a wrap on the top 5 best hard drive docking station. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more tech reviews and gadget updates.